Hello my friends, Alena from Intense Memories. Like to share the exploding box which I made for a course I did in Switzerland for children. In my country, I'm from Slovakia, we not celebrate Halloween, but in Switzerland they do, and children was very happy, so we make boxes like that. First I show you what is inside. It's like, okay, I have to little bit make camera to show all, and I make some bench which have to be bench for witches. Here is some oval sitting oval. Okay, let's go to show the oval. How I can do that? Oh right, I don't know. Oval. Okay, so maybe I show like that. It's cat, then sit there, oval, and it's some book, oval, reading the book, and here is a castle for witch. Here is some boy, oops, who have pumpkin in hands. Then we have that girl with candle, and here is one girl who running out from some ghost, let's say. Okay, and I made flowers around, so it's make more interesting, and all that flap have pocket, and inside is some tag. Can write something about the Halloween day, or put a little photo there, and I have to tell children was so happy to make that box. And outside it's few images from graphic, actually all images are from graphic 45, like that. And when we put cover on, so the cover look like that. It's some cat, witch's hat. Here is some frog. I hope we'll be see on video what I try to show you. And here's that little witch. And here's just some pumpkin. Okay, so that is my project for Halloween. See you on next project. Bye bye guys.